How to use Publisher Rocket to estimate how much your KDP niche is earning per month. Let's say you've got a book idea, but you're wondering, can this actually make money on Amazon? That's where Publisher Rocket comes in clutch. I open up the keyword search tool, type in my idea, let's say epic fantasy, and Rocket shows me exactly how much the top books in that niche are earning per month. If the average monthly earnings are strong and the competition score isn't crazy high, that's usually a green light. I also compare a few similar keywords like gratitude journal versus daily gratitude journal to see which ones get better potential. This is how I am making sure I'm writing a niche that's actually profitable. Click the link in the description to grab Publisher Rocket. If you're on KDP, this tool is a total game changer.